Hot take ko lang about Spotify Wrapped 2025, pero sana wag nyo ko i-cancel. This year, nung lumabas na yung When Does Spotify Wrapped Come Out post sa feed, napaisip ako, bakit parang naging personality flex na yung yearly Wrapped? Like legit, nagiging social status na siya. Kung indie ka, cultured. Kung puro pop, basic. Kung puro sad songs, soft girl era. At kung puro rap, red flag. Eto yung nakakainis. Yung tropa ko, tinawanan yung playlist ko kasi daw immature yung top artists ko. Pero same group na yon ang magpo-post kinabukasan ng music is subjective, don't judge people. Hypocrite much? Pero eto yung mas malala. Kapag hindi mo sineshare yung rap mo, ikaw pa yung killjoy or ashamed. Hindi ba pwedeng gamitin ko yung music quietly without needing validation? Parang naging yearly competition na kung sino yung may pinaka-deep, pinaka-rare, or pinaka-cool na listening habits. Ako ba ang mali? O alang ba ako? Or nagiging toxic na talaga yung culture sa paligid ng Spotify Wrapped?